Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Dunmore, and today I will show you the most efficient way to use the AizaMD to enhance your clinical encounters. So, a top tip for optimal usage is to always make sure you say the patient's name, age, gender, the nature of the visit, be it initial or follow-up, and the patient's main concern. So, let's dive in. Simply open your AizaMD application, click on the microphone button, and clearly state, for example, met John Doe, a 35-year-old male, for his first consultation regarding high blood pressure. And that's it. Hello, sir. How can I help you today, sir?
I've been experiencing nearly daily headaches, mostly in the mornings, sometimes blurred vision. I checked my blood pressure with my father's device, and the readings were around 170 over 100. I took it twice.
Okay, yeah, those blood pressure readings are concerning. They're high, and they could certainly be the cause of your headaches and your blurred vision. This is going to require immediate medical attention. So aside from those symptoms, are you experiencing anything else, such as nausea or dizziness?
I felt dizzy occasionally, but I thought it was just from being tired. No chest pain or anything severe.
Okay, well, dizziness can also be a symptom of high blood pressure. So given your symptoms and the high readings, I'm going to recommend that we start you on a medication called lisinopril, 10 milligrams to be taken orally before bed. We'll start you on that and then we'll see how things go.
Could my diet or lack of exercise be contributing to this?
Yeah, absolutely. Lifestyle factors such as diet, physical inactivity, excessive alcohol consumption, or being overweight, they all contribute to high blood pressure levels. So we will address them, but what's most important is that we start you on lisinopril now.
Okay, what changes can I make?
You can reduce your salt intake, eat more fruit and veg, exercise regularly, limit your alcohol consumption, and of course, if you smoke, quit that.
Okay, sounds doable. What's the next step?
So let's start you on lisinopril today, and then I will schedule a follow-up meeting for 2 weeks where we can reassess your blood pressure levels and make any necessary changes. And in the meantime, if you can make some lifestyle changes, that would be great too.
Okay, thank you, doctor. I really appreciate your advice.
Now that we're done, just hit stop and it should automatically generate the transcript. Now we can easily go over through our conversation that we had, and I can easily go over the things that are important and take note of it. AizaMD will also generate a SOAP notes summarizing your patient's condition, in where you can also categorize it using ICD-10 codes. This way you can easily type all of the details you need to input the important information in your patient records. Now we can open our EMR in our Google Chrome and access the data we recorded on our phone. We can copy the SOAP notes AizaMD generated and make edits as we see fit. This way, you can easily document the information from your patient without browsing through endless handwritten notes you take and ensure everything is recorded.
With AizaMD, I spend less time typing at my laptop during a consultation and more time engaging with my patient. And I don't have to worry about missing anything because AizaMD has my back. I also don't have to worry about security because AizaMD is HIPAA compliant and HiTrust certified. Nowadays, I honestly can't imagine working without AizaMD.